Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to open WapEx trading account. While the cryptocurrency exchange named WapEx exists, it is strongly recommended to exercise extreme caution and avoid opening an account. Recent user reviews and regulatory information suggest that WapEx may be a fraudulent or high-risk platform. The procedure for opening an account is similar to many legitimate exchanges, but due to serious fraud allegations, it is not recommended. However, if you still choose to proceed despite the risks, the process generally follows these steps. Go to the website and download the app. Visit the WapEx website or download the mobile app from the App Store or Google Play. Navigate to the Sign Up page, find the Sign Up or Create an Account button, fill out the registration form with your email and password as well as other personal details, and verify your account. Most trading platforms require you to verify your identity by providing personal documents such as a passport or other identification. This is a crucial step that helps ensure the platform complies with anti-money laundering regulations. After verification, you can deposit funds, often in the form of cryptocurrency, into your trading account and begin trading. Once the funds are deposited, you can start trading on the platform. However, do note that red flags and risks are associated with WapEx. Review aggregators contain multiple reports from users claiming to have been scammed by WapEx and its associated brokers. Regulatory checks on similar or related entities such as Apex CoinTrade raise concerns about a lack of top-tier regulation and potentially operating from offshore jurisdictions. Legitimate trading platforms are regulated by established financial authorities. One company database lists a Russian-based company named WapEx that was founded in 2016 as a lead generation platform for home services, not cryptocurrency trading. This suggests a new entity is using the same name or the company is misrepresenting itself. WapEx has been listed on legal websites that report scam companies as recent as 2025. Consider using well-known regulated exchanges with a strong track record for secure and legitimate cryptocurrency trading. Some popular choices include Coinbase, Binance, Kraken, Gemini, and eToro. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.